Hey guys, it's Bibin here again with another winter video. Today in Calgary we have a temperature around -16 and the real feel is -30. So I think I need to wear the gloves because I can't tolerate this cold anymore, man. This is really cold. Of course I need the gloves. The secondly, I need my hoods on because my ears are frozen. Alright, I'll put the jacket hood also. Cool. That will protect me completely. So we'll start the day by cleaning up my car. As you can see, my car is almost covered with snow. So let's remove the snow first. Imagine this, you are outside on a crisp, frosty morning. The world is wrapped in a blanket of white. The air is crisp and clean. You take a deep breath, feeling the cold air fill your lungs. The sun is just beginning to peek over the horizon. So this is my beautiful snow brush from Costco. This actually can be extended. Okay. First of all, let's talk about the feel of snow shoveling. It's a unique feeling that combines strength, endurance, and precision. You need to use your entire body to generate power, engage your muscles to lift and push snow effectively, all while maintaining balance and coordination. It's a workout in itself. Well, next let's discuss the physical benefits of snow shoveling. Do you know that a single session can burn up to 400 calories? That's right, shoveling snow is an excellent way to get your daily exercise and keep warm during winter months. Well, snow shoveling is actually a unique feeling, combining physical effort with fresh air and tranquil surroundings. You feel the weight of the shovel in your hands, your muscles working hard to push through the snow, but it's not exhausting, it's invigorating. You feel alive and connected to the world around you. Well, snow shoveling brings with it a sense of accomplishment and peacefulness that is hard to find elsewhere. It's truly unique experience that connects us to nature in a way that few other activities can. The feel of winter snow shoveling is actually unique. It's not just the physical labor that comes with it, it's the way our body reacts to the cold air, the way our muscles strain as you lift each shovel of snow, as the way you breathe clouds up in front of your face. It's truly unique experience that only winter can bring us. So when you step out onto that snow-covered driveway next time, remember this feel of winter snow shoveling. Feel it in your bones, embrace it with all your being, and most importantly, enjoy your moment, all of it. It's actually really cold inside my car. Because the outside is it's around -16 and feels like -30. I would say inside the car probably half of that. I'm achieving maybe around real feel is like a -15 because we don't have any wind chill inside the car. So we just have to warm the car for like 10 minutes before we go somewhere. While they sorry, I can't talk because see, that's the problem with the cold. You won't be able to speak very well when the whole cold actually hits your face. So I set the car to warm up for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we can actually remove the snow from the front of my house. So next time you are out there with this shovel and snowsuit, remember this, it might be tough, but it's also an experience that many of us share every year. So let's enjoy Who knows, maybe next year we'll be trading our shovels for surfboards. As you pick up your shovel, you feel its weight in your hands, a sign that work ahead is worth it. The first scoop of snow falls onto your shovel, and you can almost sense how it's going to feel on your shoulders. The snowflakes dust your eyelashes and beard, make it seem like you are a part of Winter Wonderland movie scene. We can actually remove a little bit of snow from our neighbors. Snow shoveling isn't just about staying physically fit, it also brings a sense of accomplishment. There is a satisfaction in seeing your driveway or walkway cleared and knowing you have made life easier for others during the winter season. It's also an opportunity to connect with neighbors as you all work together to keep your community moving. Well, next time when you step outside in the midst of a winter storm, embrace the joy of snow shoveling and remember that it's not just about clearing snow. It's about building physical strength, personal satisfaction, and community connections. I think that's pretty much for today. I'm no longer able to stand outside. I'm feeling really cold. Literally, I'm frozen. I'll see you guys next time with another video. Until then,